Hey guys, I'm Diab and I welcome you to this amazing channel Diab Vibes. In this video, we will talk about 5 easy ways to get your command good in English language. But before that, as this is our very first video, let me introduce you people to this channel. This channel is your all-in-one solution for photography poses, spoken English, men's grooming and fashion trends. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that big fat like button. So let's get started on with the show. Live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you have to live forever, said by Mahatma Gandhi. By this, let's start our video. Whatsoever your level in speaking English, I can bet after watching this video it would surely rise up to a great extent. Today's agenda of this video is 5 ways to get your command good in English language. I'll give you 5 tips and at the end of this video a bonus tip will stay connected. The first tip is start watching English. By this I refer to start watching English shows, English movies, English web series, English songs, English news, etc. It should be in English. By this it will help your listening and speaking skills. मतलब जो भी देखें इंग्लिश में देखें. इससे क्या आपकी listening and speaking skills improve होंगी. Whenever you listen some new word, try to pronounce it. Try how they pronounce it. It really helps you. Moving to our second tip. Our second tip is start talking to yourself in front of mirror. At the last of the day, go in front of mirror and talk to yourself. Have a conversation with yourself. आप वहाँ पे ये बात कर सकते हैं कि आपने पूरे दिन क्या किया. It is a kind of diary, I think so. What you did, whom you met, what you talked, what conversation you had with the person, what the person replied, and you can talk anything like it should be like this and that should be like this, and it hurts you, blah blah blah. It should be a session of at least 15 minutes. The third tip is start converting your quite often used phrases to English language. Now, every mother tongue has their own takiya kalams or own phrases. You can convert these phrases into English language. Like being Punjabi, we people use some kind of phrases like, for example, first one I took the example of Hoon bol, hoon tere muh ch dahi jam gaya. This is converted into English as speak up, did the cat caught your tongue? Another example we can use is Jobliya na mare kar, don't beat around the bush. One more example we can use is main tere naal sehmat nahi ga, I don't see eye to eye with you. These are some kind of quite often used phrases. I get you can use your own phrases of your own mother tongue. Moving forward to our fourth tip. Our fourth tip is start reading. Now everyone knows reading makes a man wiser. Yes, it also increases your English learning. Yes. So whenever you get a new word in a novel, textbook or anything like that, underline the word and write it down in your notes. Now these words you can read at the end of the day or at the weekends and learn these words. It will increase your vocabulary and you can use these words into your sentences. It will really help you. Our fifth tip. Fifth tip is get new words and implement it in your daily talks. Talking with your friends, your siblings or in front of mirror, get new 5 to 10 words and implement it in your talks. The words may be for someone's praise, for casual talks or maybe for humor. Yes. Now you can find these words from previous tips or you can find these words from dictionaries or any other tip. Till now we have covered our 5 topics. So now the time for the bonus tip. So the bonus tip of this video is start reading Tribune. Why I said Tribune is because I have personally experienced this newspaper. This newspaper is very good for those who want to increase their vocab knowledge. Plus, it will also increase your general knowledge. Secondly, whenever you find a new word, underline that word and write it down in your vocab notebook as I said earlier, and learn that word at the weekend or at the end of the day. Well, if you have watched this video till now, I assume that you really like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit that big fat like button. Thank you.